This tutorial will familiarize you with the Linearity tab in the Compliance feature in Vim Technology's SEMLink 6 STAS software. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to add, edit, and delete Linearity audit records for compliance with Part 75 requirements. A linearity check is a quarterly assessment that shows whether the gas analyzer has a linear range across the range of the instrument. This test is required for all gas analyzers in quarters where the unit combusts fuel for more than 168 hours in a quarter. To access, create, or edit a linearity test record, select Compliance from the SEMLink 6 main menu. The Part 75 certification data screen will display the Linearity tab by default. Select the year and quarter. Then click the Refresh button. The records will appear on the left side of the screen in a tree under the respective source and component identification number. On the right side of the screen, 3 tabs are provided: Summary, Linearity Data, and Protocol Gas. To add a new test record, click the Add button on the toolbar. The right side of the screen will display blank fields for configuration of the new linearity record. The Summary tab provides basic information about the linearity test record. Some of this information here will be automatically populated once the linearity run data is entered and results are calculated. The component ID is an essential identifier for EPA reporting. Moving on to the Linearity Data tab, here is where you will add injections for each of the low, mid, and high levels needed for a linearity test. There are 2 ways of getting linearity run data into the system. Each will be demonstrated here. For sources that run linearity audits from the calibration control interface within SEMLink software, those injections may be imported directly into the linearity test. To add the linearity runs, click the Select Injections button. This will automatically query the SEMLink calibration log database and present all injections within the start and end dates that are on the Summary tab. Select the 9 runs used for the test and click the green check mark to import. Then click the Calculate button to show the results. The system will automatically populate the low, mid, or high results based on the % error and use the alternate performance specification if needed. The protocol gas information will automatically be transferred from the linearity injection records. You can verify the data by clicking on the Protocol Gas tab. The start and end dates and test results will automatically update once the test is calculated. Verify the results by clicking on the Summary tab. For sources that don't have the capability to run linearity tests from SEMLink, these tests can be entered manually. To add injections, click the drop-down list on the Add Injection button. Choose Add All Injections to populate all 9 runs. Users can also add these runs one at a time by selecting low, mid, or high injection. Once the runs are populated, fill out the remaining injection information. Click the Calculate button to show the results. The system will automatically populate the low, mid, or high results based on the percent error and use the alternate performance specification if needed. Moving on to the Protocol Gas tab, click the Add Protocol Gas button and add each of the 3 EPA protocol gas cylinders for the low, mid, and high levels. Enter the gas type, cylinder serial number, vendor and expiration date for each bottle. Please note that this information must be entered manually and cannot be transferred from the cylinder management interface. The start and end dates and test result will automatically update once the test is calculated. You can verify those results by clicking on the Summary tab. Click the Save button to save the new test record. The record will appear on the left side of the screen in the tree under the respective source and component identification number. At the bottom of each record screen is the EDR settings section. When a test is added, the default setting is for it to be included in the EDR for the active quarter. If you do not want a test result included in an EDR, uncheck the Report in EDR box. Check the Report in a different quarter/year box. Then specify the year and quarter. In the tree, select the test you want to delete. Click the Delete button. The system will confirm the deletion. After you click OK, the system will remove that test from the tree. This concludes our tutorial on linearity audits using the compliance feature. For details on other SEMLink 6 features, refer to our SEMLink 6 online help.